Hello, my name is Miss Amanda.
And I'm Ms. Gracie. We are here to talk about incorporating technology into the classrooms. Dr. Arnold states, education technology is the use of technology by educators in the support of teaching and learning.
Technology integrated into classroom is something that has become more popular in the last few years. Roglier states that new technology tools also mean new and different ways of accessing and processing information needed for teaching and learning.
We will exhibit a few technologies using the butterfly life cycle as our theme for our content objectives. For this video, we will be using second grade science and language arts objectives. Language art objective is that the student will be able to record an audio story using visual displays based on the life cycle of the butterfly, and the science objective is that the student will be able to describe the stages of the life cycle of the butterfly.
According to Roglier, presentation software offers educators the following benefits: helps organize thinking about a topic, enhances the impact of spoken information, and allows collaboration on presentations. In this PowerPoint, it is being used to teach the life cycle of a butterfly. The first stage is the egg, the second stage is a caterpillar, the third stage is a cocoon. When in the cocoon, there is a process called metamorphosis taking place, which means the caterpillar is changing into a butterfly. The fourth and final stage is the butterfly. Notice how the arrows appear from stage to indicate the next stage of the butterfly.
As a method of integrating technology into the classroom is a great way to perform an assessment. An assessment can be used to know where the students are at and to know what else they need to work on. A teacher can go back and look at what the results are and help them. For example, here we have the butterfly activity. We have some questions and some answers in the word bank. The students need to match the correct answer to the question. The students will be then asked questions. Below is a graph, and it keeps track of how many questions they have gotten wrong and how many they have gotten right. The students can each view how much they have improved each semester.
Here we have Ms. Myers, a sixth grade teacher. So Ms. Myers, how often is technology integrated into the modern day classroom to meet current state standards?
Well, technology is integrated in the modern classroom all the time. From doing integrated lessons with the different subjects with the smartboard, all the way to the current state testing and district testing of the standards. The children go and do those on the computer.
Using Audacity, students can create podcasts, screen captures, or even write their own poem. Audacity is a program that students use to record themselves describing something. Literacy also includes the ability to read and interpret media such as text, sound, and images to reproduce data and images through digital manipulation to evaluate and apply new knowledge gained from digital environments, according to Dr. Arnold. With this program, students can come up with their own story based on the content that they have just learned, such as the life cycle of a butterfly.
Keeping in mind our language arts objective to create an audio recording of stories and poems, also integrating digital media maker. Here we have iMovie, used on a Microsoft Mac computer. Using Movie Maker, we were able to integrate images that maybe the students can draw and create their own movie. They could use their audio recordings to narrate it and images to illustrate it. These images were taken off the internet, but you could add pictures that they have drawn, such as scanning them. Bull and Foster state that Movie Maker allows students to combine their own text, primary source image, and auto narrations to create short online documentary films. Storyboards also allow teachers to provide students with the access to online primary sources, such as documents that will align with the curriculum.
In conclusion, in our final project, we were able to demonstrate many ways to deliver two subjects of our interest, science and language arts, with the theme of technology integration. Pertaining to that would we have covered in class based upon the second grade Arizona State standards. At the end of our lesson, our students should be able to describe the life cycles of a butterfly by science standards and language arts standards, be able to create audio recording of stories integrating visual displays based on life cycles of the butterfly.
We have been able to intersperse ourselves in the video as teachers by demonstrating and discussing the use of technology in the subjects of science and language arts. We have been able to do so by teaching the butterfly life cycle using technology resources available to us, such as PowerPoint, Excel, Audacity, a version of Movie Maker, and use them effectively.